Hey guys. All right, we're going to look at some pictures and we're going to circle the ones that start with the L sound for the letter L. L. All right. So let's look at the first picture. This is a picture of a lamp. A lamp. Lamp. Do you hear the L sound? I do. I'm going to circle this lamp. All right. Next we have a pen. Pen. Do we hear "ol"? Nah. All right, down here we have a "ol og." "Ol og." Log. Do you hear "ol" at the beginning of log? Good, me too. I'm going to circle it. All right, next we have a kite. 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 Do you hear "ol" at the beginning of kite? Kite? I don't. All right, next we have an leaf. 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 Do you hear the sound at the beginning of leaf? Yes, I do too. All right, next we have a picture of a cat. At. Cat. Do you hear the sound at the beginning of cat? No. All right, sweet friends, try to look around your house to see if you can find some different things with the sound, like a Lego.